So this is kind of a test video. I got a new phone and thought I'd try the video out. So it just came up and that's basically it. So I don't find that many rocks today, maybe half a dozen or so. So I take a quick look at a few rocks here, and I do notice that I really like the close-up of my phone, but yeah, the focus is pretty good. I think I'm gonna, it's not really that practical though, so I think I'm gonna continue using my GoPro cameras. But like I say, this was just a test and not the greatest video for sure. The weather's been pretty sucky here. It's like rainy spring just keeps continuing, and there's definitely kind of an off and on rain this day I shot this. It's a little bit botryoidal. Not sure what it is. Kind of agate. Pretty sweet. Yeah, I didn't really come up to Rockhound today, but it's not really raining. But the ground and rocks are wet, and so you know, I've walked this area multiple times, but typically it's dry, and so things are hard to see. Now this rock I put here so I could think about taking it some other time. It's pretty neat, but I don't think I want to take it today. Here's another one that I kind of parked here. But I actually have probably a good half a dozen rocks in my pocket that I decided to go ahead and pick up. I don't have my bucket with me. I do have it in my truck, but in case I really saw something I wanted. I'm gonna go up here. Looks like somebody stacked some rocks. Oh! Kind of cool. Take a quick look up here. See if I see anything. So this one's a little bit interesting, and I say that because right there is a little bit of green, and I don't know if that's inside the rock or what, but I want to cut this one open and see if by chance it is green inside. So I think I got enough. My pockets are full and I'm carrying one, so kind of wet here in the woods. truck out here. So I think that's it. I'm going to head back home. See you later. Well, didn't get too many, but let's take a look. This one, it's a boy turtle looking thing. Pretty cool. I'm going to cut that in half at least, and it could be kind of a cool pendant. This, I just like the size of it. Can make something. And got this guy I want to cut open. It's pretty heavy. Could be like a diopside, something. And this one too that I saw the green on the end, right there. So I'll cut that open, and then this little guy's got kind of some stripes that I'll cut into a pendant. And this little red guy, he's not real red, but red enough that I'll just slice that in half and put it in the polisher, and I'll have two pendants out of that. And then I got quartzite, moonstone, and that is it. Okay, so I cut both of these in half. This one, I wish that color was a little darker, but it's interesting. I think I'll try to make a pendant. I don't know if it'll split right there or not, but then this other one with the green on the end, it does have green in it. So kind of cool. Cut some more of that a different day and see what it looks like polished. So anyway, that's it for today.